Greetings, friend. I hope you are well today. Hey, are you a buyer in the real estate market? You ever wonder what's the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification? Allow me to explain. Okay, a pre-qualification is more of a quick look at your financial situation, where a pre-approval is, the lender, the loan officer is going to dive a little bit deeper into your finances, W-2s, tax returns, credit card statements, bank statements, etc. And you know what? That's what you really want. You want to be told by a qualified local loan officer or bank, preferably a mortgage broker, which I can refer to you. You want them to tell you exactly what you can afford, what you can look for in a home, what kind of loan you're getting, how much down payment, what your PITI is. What is PITI? Principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Now, it's one thing to know what your mortgage payment is, which is going to be principal and interest, but you've got to calculate taxes and insurance on any property that you're getting, especially with a loan, obviously. So don't be afraid when you're set up with a good loan officer to get them all the information they need to set you up for success. The last thing we want to do as real estate professionals is show you properties in which you're not going to be qualified for because the loan officer wasn't given the right ammunition to tell you exactly what you're qualified for. So that's why it makes a big difference. So don't be afraid to, do a pre-approval. Pre-qualifications will get the ball rolling, but a pre-approval will get more information to the loan officer and set you up for success when we find that next home. So if you're planning on buying a home, I generally recommend speaking with a lender early in the process. That's always going to be the first step. If you called me today to say, hey, John, I want to go see a home, I'm going to say, hey, man, I'm really excited about that. I'd love to help you. Have you spoken to a lender yet? Do you have your paperwork in order? What does that mean? Speak to a lender. Get them the information that they need so they can pull your credit, verify your tax returns, verify income, so they can send you a pre-qualification, actually a pre-approval, saying, yes, John Doe is approved for X. We would suggest that you write it up as a conventional loan, 10% down, etc., giving me the ammunition to put my best foot forward for you, because that's the goal. If I can be of any help, transition your next chapter into from renting to owning to buying a second property to relocating, whatever that might be, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Okay. I've been doing it for 26 years and it's what I do. I'm John Rurkowski. I help families transition to the next chapter in their life. I'd love to help you. Just give me a call. 459-7356 and make it a great day. Peace.